that's the assignment, 27 to 41 odd. Like I said, not much for me to do today because it's mostly kind of the same. 27 and 29 is basically exactly like 13 to 25. You just, instead of not using a graphing calculator, they want you to use a graphing calculator. And then 31 to 41 are all basically the same. This one, I just picked this one because it has a picture involved. And what we're doing is trying to get the equation in standard form of this parabola. So this is standard form. So how are we going to use standard form and these 2 points to figure out what the actual function is? Like, what can we start with? What are we plugging in? Yeah, so we got the vertex, right? So we can at least start with that. So then we have, watch your signs, right? It's the opposite sign on the inside. So then x plus 2 squared minus 1. So, we're pretty close now. All we have to do is find a. We got to use that other point somehow. So what do you think? All right, we got to use this thing. And do it in I'll do it in green to make it really pop, Dylan. Look at that. We got to use that point. We got to figure out what A is. Like what? What? Plug it in where? Yeah, sure, right. Like, we kind of have 3 variables, right? But since we have this as an x and this as a y, really we only have 2 variables. So yeah, so then 3 equals a times 0 plus 2 squared minus 1. And now all we got to do is solve for a. So then I'll add the 1 over 4 equals, right, 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 squared is 4 equals 4a. So then a equals 1. And so then, yeah, there's the function, f of x equals 1. I'm not going to write it, but 1 x plus 2 squared minus 1. How's that? Should we do another one, or is that good enough, or what do you guys want? Probably good, Mackenzie? Hey, good? Draw some arrows for you guys. I've heard you guys are arrow fans. So that takes you through everything. Don't forget about the IXLs or some of those out there. Or at least that takes you through everything for today.